This is Ranadeep Madhu. I've come up with another video. This time it's traveling tips from Kolkata to Assam, Dibrugarh, and from there to Dekwai. So I'm right now in Kolkata airport. So trying to board plane towards Dibrugarh. So this is the modern Kolkata airport. It is. I'll show you. You can see from here how does it look. It's absolutely abroad. Will get in Kolkata airport. It is not previous version of Kolkata airport which we used to call it Damdam airport. So it was a very backdated airport. So this airport actually was inaugurated in 2013, and after we had as many as 106, more than 106 I believe flights flying at a time. So many gates are there. So 2 runways I believe, and so 106 planes can park in airport and pick up passenger. So it's a very large airport. So I'll show you the airport. This is the airport, Kolkata Netaji International Airport. So you can see very shiny and what do you call, very impressive look at this airport. I'm still moving. I really don't know how to go to. Oh, see, I am in the wrong path, I believe. 106, gate number 106 I have to go. So I have to move to the other side, I believe. So 106, I have to get down from somewhere as far as I believe. So absolutely abroad feel, you will get it. And so Kolkata is a mega city. So mega city has its own charm and attractiveness. So airport has everything. I believe there will be a dormitory available in case of transient stay at airport. So that facility should be there. I have not witnessed. And rest, I think restaurant, eateries will be like others airport. One of the best airport, far better than airport of Chennai, Delhi and Mumbai. So Kolkata airport is the best airport. You'll see on the roof they have put Bengali script, so you can understand. Yes, my destination has come. Probably I have to go downward. My gate number is 106, so I have to take this path, 101 to 109 path. So I have to take that path. So this is a new brand of Future Group. Future Group is a Big Bazaar group. Right now Big Bazaar does not exist. Future Bazaar also does not exist. Everything is home delivery sort of, from grocery to shopping or clothing. So I am taking this path. I'll take this lift. So this is the. So I have to go downward. I've already pressed the button to know. So this feel actually gives me. This look actually gives me the feeling of Thailand, Bangkok airport. So what else do I need to press then? DLL, I believe, yes. So this airport gives me the feeling of Bangkok, wherein I used to buy. I actually forgot to take the noodles. So somewhere in this kinds of zone I left my noodle packet. So this feeling actually is almost similar to, yes, 101 I have got. My gate number is 106. So probably there. It's a ground floor airport condition. This actually reminds me of Zurich, Switzerland. This entire feeling. Upstairs is almost like South Korea. Upstairs gate was almost like South Korea, but this gate is like Zurich, Switzerland. 103, my gate number is 106. So So this reminds me of Zurich, Switzerland. Okay. So the metro connection will be probably just outside this boundary. They are establishing metro. So like Zurich airport, metro and airport are firmly connected. So you get down of the metro, you can take any of the gates for airplane. So this entire structure actually reminds me of Zurich, Switzerland, and the airport is basically the metro in Kolkata is about to be started. Everything is done, only line will be laid. So about to be as far as the YouTube video concerns, it will be starting in 2025 March. So airport Jai Hind metro will be starting from 2025 March. Oh, finally reached. Okay, violet. So this is my gate. So stay tuned when I will reach Dibrugarh. So we'll see. I'll show you the rising sun. Still it's almost 10-11 years past. Still the airport authority says to come 2 hours prior departure of airplane. So I've come at 6 o'clock. My flight is at 8 o'clock. So it's very nonsensical in nature that they are urging to report 2 hours prior departure. So minimum is like it should be like a railway train wherein just before starting of train they should have allowed to enter the train. So on or before, just before departure should be there. It's not 2 hours prior to departure. So anyway, so I'll show you the rising sun picture. So this is the rising sun of airport, Netaji International Airport. So you can see so nicely sun is lighting. Airplane is there, and my gate is 106. Sorry, 106. So around 108, I believe 108 or 12, 108. Total 108 gates are there. So at a time, 108 airplane can park in airport. You can understand such a large airport you'll hardly see in other states of India. So it is Kolkata, mega city. So 108 gates are there. So upstairs is around, I've seen 24-25 gates. Here it is above 100. So many gates. So stay tuned for more updates. I'm in Assam now, moving through the grass field of Assam. So I'll show you the picture. So this is Assam's grass field. Basically tea garden will be there on both sides of the lanes. So small tea garden you are seeing, very beautiful, scenically very appealing, and you'll feel, obviously there is a, right now it is winter, even during summer also you'll get a nice cold feeling. So very nice place, Assam. This lane is towards Digboi, from Dibrugarh airport towards Digboi. So you'll see elephant also on the move, on the road, and that's it. See, there are these are tea gardens. So basically, and on inside the tea garden you are seeing small so you are seeing big trees. So these trees probably is used for keeping a proper, or probably creating a average or desirable temperature on the surface of the tea garden, because tea gardens are basically agricultured on hilly areas, but this is a plain area. So probably these trees are basically used to maintain a proper temperature on the surface of tea gardens. And rest is grass field. Assam's is one of the best rice producing states in India. So majorly people eat rice only. So Assam rice is very tasty. It's like there is one rice which is almost similar to Bengali rice called Govindabhog. So the Govindabhog rice is like mini rice, but Assam's rice is smaller than Govindabhog's rice size. So Assam rice is tastier than Govindabhog rice. The Govindabhog rice is basically is used for worshipping purpose, but occasionally we do eat in during occasionally we eat in as a in one of the food item called khichdi. So Govindabhog khichdi with begun bhaja is begun is brinjal fry is very tasty. So occasionally we eat, but mostly it is being used for worshipping, for giving to god or goddess. So worshipping purpose only it is used. But Assam rice is basically the size of the rice of Assam is far smaller than Govindabhog rice and bit tastier. So the curries, the fries which we are eating with normal rice, if we are eating with Assam rice, that food will be would be tastier than normal rice. So we can buy Assam rice online through Amazon shopping site or Flipkart. So you are seeing the grass feed in this, and occasionally you will see Indian Oil petrol pump and BPCL petrol pump. So the entire structure of Assam's place is there will be road, and in and both side of the road there will be grass field and tea gardens. So that is the best visual experience you'll get while coming to Assam. So very nice place, and this road while passing through Digboy, if you go further you will get Arunachal Pradesh. In fact you will get the road towards Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh, the nearest Arunachal Pradesh place is a Dibang Valley place, wherein there is a town called Roing, and just adjacent to Roing there is a Mayodhya Pass. The Mayodhya Pass, that it's a hill, it's a ice-laden mountain village, very nice. People tend to go to that place to enjoy snowfall, as well as they can stay in the Mayodhya Pass in small cottages. Very nice to stay and enjoy the ice-laden mountain experience. So that's it. I'll further update my video regarding this, so stay tuned. So once again, this is a picture of lush green tea garden. So we are moving through the field of grass field and tea garden, very impressive in nature. Hi, this is Sanati Madhu. This is the final video before leaving my quarter 1803 Digboy, Refinery Tamshi. So I will be traveling to Kolkata tomorrow early morning, taking a flight at around 1000 hours. So this is the video. So basically I have called DRS Agarwal and Packers. So they have charged me 93,000 for 2 BHK household items shifting, around 70,000, and the rest 28,000 as far as I remember for car transport to Kolkata. So basically you can see that the truck of APM, Agarwal Packers and Movers, is there. So in this truck the entire items will be loaded, and my car is already taken by DRS people. So only this truck will be moving. Car has been taken, Audi 02M 8033 car. Everything is done very smoothly. So I'll show you the final video, final meaning just before loading. So stay tuned. So this is the entire layout now. So this thing will be packed. So this is the situation. This is the entire situation. That room is this room is my room, and this was my mother's room. Mother is right now in Kolkata, already moved, so everything is packed. The situation is like this. Everything, bathroom, you can see everything is so this is the situation in the kitchen also, almost packed. So you can see. So I still remember that I came here in 2021, around I think August, 2nd August I believe. So thereafter it's been a very nice experience, almost 3 years of staying. So very nicely balanced here. So right now I'm moving to Kolkata. So everything is very nicely placed. Everything is done. So that's it. Stay tuned for more updates. I'll update the I'll link this video with other videos before leaving Kolkata. So and then upload that entire sequences of videos in the YouTube. So stay tuned for that video. Bye. So finally the packing is completed at around midnight, 00:47 hours. So this is the final condition of this truck. So I'll show you the entire video. Truck, everything is loaded. This is the number of the truck. Everything is loaded. और गाड़ी का नंबर है ना, गाड़ी का नंबर में फ्लैश. So this is the number S01MC5857. So this is finally. तो ठीक है भैया, ओके. So ठीक, कितना दिन तक पहुंच जाएगा करीबन?
7-8 दिन.
7-8 दिन. ओके, थैंक यू. हाँ, ओके. So finally we are leaving. So this is the final condition of 1803. Everything is done. It's midnight, 1 o'clock almost. So every damn packing has been conducted successfully. So this video will be uploaded in YouTube, and finally landed in Kolkata airport. So just I'm coming out of 1B exit. So just in the right hand side of 1B exit, that is metro, Jai Hind airport metro station. So I'll show you the video, and stay tuned. So this is Jai Hind metro station, still in construction phase. So it will be completed in 2025 March as far as YouTube video goes. So that's all, and have a nice day. Bye.